Hey lovies, today we are celebrating Pagwa or Holi. So must I say happy Pagwa, happy Holi to all of you who are celebrating as well. It's a beautiful day to enjoy some parsad. So come with me, let me show you how I put this parsad together. Today I will be using flour as well as some cream of wheat. So in this pot here I have 2.5 cups of ghee together with 3 cups of flour. Now I'm going to turn this, it becomes nice and light. I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes. If you like your parsad dark brown, you can cook it for a further 2 or 3 minutes if you choose to. After 15 minutes, in goes the cream of wheat, and this will mix in nicely together with the flour and continue cooking. As it continue cooking, I will get the desired color that I prefer. And again, you can go ahead and cook it for another 2 minutes if you like your parsad nice and dark in color. Here I have the liquid, and in this pot here I have 2 cans of evaporated milk, half can of condensed milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, and half cup of water. So that is bubbling there, and I continue to cook this the flour and the cream of wheat for a further 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add some spices. In goes the elaichi or cardamom powder, some ginger, there you go, nice fresh ginger, and some raisins. Now if you choose to put some cherries, this is the perfect time to add your cherries, pistachio, or any other additional ingredients, cinnamon stick or anything like that. You fix it and you make it to suit your taste. In goes the boiling liquid now, and at this point in time, if you don't feel as if you will get burnt, you are doing something wrong. Don't worry, you would not get burned if you do it the correct way. It will bubble up like this, and if it doesn't bubble up like this, you are doing something wrong as well. Parsad needs to bubble up nice like this. It needs a good hand workout as well. Okay, so as I continue to turn that there, all the liquid will dry up nicely. And today's shout out is going out to Marie Brazil, DG, and Dennis Sankar. So look at that, guys, the liquid has dried up there nicely, and look how nice and fluffy this parsad came out. Wow, I just love the color, and I am sure this will be very delicious. So guys, thank you for watching, and I have a parsad recipe on my YouTube channel as well, that is flour parsad. You can head over to my YouTube channel and check out that as well. So as the day goes along, enjoy your Pagwa 2025.